Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, true believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let me get you guys a little bit of box action. Let it focus and get that light out of there for you guys. Hold it in a different location. This one reads the Air Jordan Legacy 312 Black, and Fire Red. I think this is the Jordan 312 Fire Reds, but if I misquoted it, I'll have the correct name down in the description. Well, this shoe so long ago, I just found it. Get you guys a little bit of receipt action. I can't remember when I bought it. It's not focusing, but I paid about, I think, $60 for these. Got the receipt still in the box. I just found these today. I never took them out. Never looked at them. This is some weird stuff. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get over the shit. Not a bad 312. I need to add this to the 312 section now that I found it. Overall, like I said, 312s are one of my favorite shoes, so I don't mind having them. I have every pair of 312s. I think this is just a staring pair. That's why I never took it out the box. I'm getting ready to set up a new sneaker area. So I got more space for the 312s in there. So I'm going to add some more 312s to the sneaker room. Move some of the shoes that I have in that sneaker room out to their own sneaker room. Overall, not a bad one. The whole upper is suede. Fire red back. Again, you guys know this is a mix of the Jordan 1, the Jordan 3, and the Air Trainer 2s. Or the Bo Jacksons. I'm getting a little bit of paint peeling, but I think that just was coming from Nike. So let me let you guys see the top of the shoe. Like I said, it's all suede. I don't know when I got this shoe. Like I said, it was a while ago, a long time ago. I know I have a wearing pair and a staring pair. I think I have two wearing pairs, and this is the staring pair. But you see the elephant print, fire red on the back breakup, black Jordan Wings logo. I'm sure you again, either you love it or you hate it, that little 312 strap. Jordan Air or Air Jordan on the back, whichever you like to say it. More fire red breakup. Same on this side. Black Nike swoosh. Got to do some cleaning on these. Somehow they got dirty in the box. Standard Jordan 3 bottom. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this Jordan 312. Would you buy this Jordan 312? Did you buy this Jordan 312? Are you interested? This comes from a time when sneakers were so cheap. I think I got $100 and some bucks off this year. You gotta see that back again. People love to look at the backs of the 312s. I think they would be better with the Nike Air as well. Let me give you guys a look at what the shoe's gonna look like when it's on your foot again. Alright everybody, let me know what shoes you're buying, what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!